Hello, in front of me I've got XREAL Air 2. In this video I'll show you button functions. XREAL Air 2 is equipped with multiple buttons. Take a look at the bottom of wings. Right here we've got multifunction button for screen off, screen on, and customizable function. Then we've got brightness button. Brightness up, volume up. Brightness down, volume down. Press and hold for 2 seconds to switch between 2D, 3D mode. And press and hold for 4 seconds to switch audio to DisplayPort audio. Volume down, press and hold for 2 seconds for brightness volume mode switch. And press and hold for 4 seconds does not have any function. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.